Welcome once again to K-Math Lab. This time we are going to dig deeper into writing decimals in word form, but we are going to be assisted by the place value chart of decimals. Here in the place value chart of decimals, in the middle we have a decimal point, which tells us that we have gone to the decimals place. Now, we have ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, and continuing on that side. But then when we come on decimals, we have tenths, hundredths, thousandths, and we continue in that format. So if we have a number like, we'll give an example of 8.2. This number, it has 8 ones. The whole number is 8, so we write it here in this position, and the decimal is here, then the 2 comes here. So we read this number as 8 and 2 tenths. So this is how we write it in word form. We write 8 and 2 tenths. Now, this word "and" is helping us to know that this is a decimal point. Wherever in your number you have a decimal point and you're writing it in word form, you use the word "and." Let's look at the next one. So we have this 6.37. We write this in words as 6 in the ones, in the whole numbers, it is 6. Then we have 3 here, we'll put 3 in tenths, and 7 in hundredths. So this one we write it as 6, and because of the decimal, 30, 37, then hundredths. So this is read as 6 and 37 hundredths. Just to know that after a decimal point, you go to tenths, hundredths. So this 3 is in tenths, this is in hundredths. So we combine it and say 37 hundredths. Because this is tenths, this is hundredths. Let's look at the next one. We have this is read as 81. In the normal reading, we say 81.16, but when we are writing them as words, in the word form, we say 81 and 16 hundredths, because now the 1 is in tenths and the 6 is in hundredths. So we write 81 and 16 hundredths. Most times students are confused on how to write this in words, and so this should be a great guide to you, dear students, as you continue to write decimals in word form. This is the guide. So the next example I'm going to give is going to be 4.003. How do we write this in word form? We already see that A4 is in the ones place. Then the first 0 is in the tenths, hundredths, and then 3 is in the thousandths place. So we write this as 4, and because of the decimal point, and 3 thousandths. Now you can see that here we don't write 4 and 003 thousandths. No, we just write 4 and 3 thousandths, because 3 is now in the thousandths place. So I want us to go to the comment section now and write for me this in words, in word form. 13.5, you're going to write it in word form. Hope to see you in the next video. Thank you.